Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, guys, so 2 more minutes before we start off with the most creative category. So look out for that 2 minutes if you know you're registered for the most creative. Line up yourselves, we're going in a short while. Also, we're getting ready for the on-the-spot challenge, so look out for that as well.
Kite Fest. Kite. K-I-T-E. One of the niceness about the Caribbean. You see me? You have Trinidad Kite Fest, Jamaica Kite Fest, Bahamas, you name it. The Caribbean windy, especially during the summer and certain times. You know the thing, you see me? And I know a lot of my viewers, because I have a lot of viewers right now, you see me, we might not know nothing about the Caribbean certain way. And you know, it's always that people try to post and show the negative part of what going on in the Caribbean. Well, I want my people to know, say, yo, the Caribbean is not all about no negativity thing. You see me, a lot of niceness there, so you're frightened to know more niceness there than the whole heap of crime and violence thing we see go on. And the Kite Fest is not even a 0.1% of the niceness there. Believe you me, you see me? So come enjoy yourself if you don't want, man. You see me? You see, come here and tell you, yo, when you're there on Kite Fest, alright, just like we just see a while ago with that man right there, so you see me? The man, and me, the kite is supposed to have to be like 5 times the size of him to lift him up in the air, so. What did I call sit there again? Not parachute. What that thing the name again? What they call it? Blimp the thing afloat in the air, man. Mental block. Some of the time just forget things. You see me I say, come like when I get old. But the thing about it is, I try to tell you say niceness there. You see me? So people only need to make we just look on the more nicer part and post that to man. Not just run down the whole part negativity. And see me make the people them say yo, we're sweet and we, you know, and things. You see me? And that with the whole world too. The world love for sure things where you see it. Anyways, I don't know the thing already. You see me I said to you, I just want to make you see what I want and keep on the post is up to date with what I want. Anyways, if you like what I just showed a while ago, just let me know what you think. You see me I said don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. My name is Skilla and this way you just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.